afternoon, everybody. My name is Sagar Tamane, and I'm the business head of India for Efficient Manufacturing magazine. We are in IMTEX 2023, and it is indeed my proud privilege to have Mr. Parakram Singh Jadeja, who is the CEO of Jyoti CNC Automation, to talk about more on IMTEX, what are Jyoti's products on display at the booth, and the overall situation of and the importance of IMTEX 2023 because it is happening after a gap of say 4 years. So let me begin by asking Mr. Jadeja. So, what are your thoughts on IMTEX, which is happening after a gap of 4 years?
See, it's a very exciting time for we were waiting all of us, and because since last 4 years we have developed a lot of new things we would wanted to showcase to the all our customers to globally and all like that. So we were very excited, and even the way people are coming today. Okay, I feel people are taking the revenge traveling like that, and they are coming like this. Okay, and most of the decision maker also coming, so they are making us a more motivations and all. So this MTEX is, I think, one of the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many machines have been displayed at the Jyoti booth for this IMTEX?
So there is a 21 machines are there, and all these are the basic different products. They're turning, milling, multitasking, 5-axis machines, horizontals, automations, die and mold, and all sectors of manufacturing as a one-stop solution we have created over here.
I saw one machine which was very relevant to the aerospace industry, which is a huge machine which is displayed out there. So, do you see the aerospace sector as the most promising sector amongst the manufacturing sectors in India?
Yes, this is upcoming industries in India, and our Prime Minister's Sri Narendra Modi's vision to be Atmanirbhar Bharat, and India to be a self, let's say, developing all our defense equipments and aerospace and all. It's a great opportunity for us. You saw that recently Tata has awarded to making a own aircraft. Yes. So we are ready for to serve them all.
Okay, so do you already have orders from the Tata Airbus project?
Absolutely, we are supplying to them. They are
Okay, that is great. That is great.
They are one of the key customer, and these machines are going to them only.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, One of my most favorite question to be asked is you recently were awarded with the non-IT fraternity Digital Innovator Award. So what was this award about, and how was it awarded to you? What were the parameters? Could you elaborate more on this?
See, basically, this award for a IT fraternity out of IT fraternity, basically, and on a digital platform. So they have, let's say, scrutinized our Jyoti's history in past. Let's say I'll give you example. One of the key factor they have selected, while the Jyoti size of in 2003, we are a 6 crore company, top line, and we have implemented SAP. Okay, my SAP cost was a 5 crores. Okay, the total installation and all. So that's the kind of a thing. Second, when the computer has came a big way, okay, initially in 1991. So someone has told me that there is a drawing can be made on that. Okay, so my total company investment was at that time was 33,000 rupees, and we bought a one computer was a 1,70,000 to make it a drawings. Okay, and then whatever the things we did in our area, all ERP, CNC systems, Industries 4.0, and all this integration. So they have choose based on this parameter as a digital drivers. Yeah.
So there is one initiative which you have taken, which is the 7 Sense. So can you talk more about that 7 Sense? Is it the remote machine-to-machine maintenance?
See, the 7 Sense is basically we are fundamentally we are idea behind even the name also 7 Sense is like that. All repetitive job that human being is doing, that should give to the 7 Sense. And once you free, then you are able to use all your 6 sense. And all your 6 sense only will make you more innovative. So we would like to make our operators, our technicians to be more innovative. And the way they are, let's say, doing the repetitive job, they will do like inspections, reporting, quality parameters, productions. Okay, what is a cutting time, non-cutting time, SPC, what is the pressures, what is the coolant consumption, what is the tool life. Okay, the entire manufacturing process is integrated a part of that on a 7 sense.
So that will also ensure that remote maintenance of machines is possible through this system.
That is outside of that. The first alarm will reach to our service center guys, so they immediately can log in and they can see that what is happening there. Yeah.
Okay. IMTEX has now completed almost 3 days as of now, today. 50% of IMTEX is already over. So do you have any orders which are confirmed at your booth?
Yeah, many orders are there. Hundreds of orders are here now.
Any value you would like to propose?
Actually, I don't know what is the exact numbers are like that, but it quite be. We are expecting to touch to in between 70 to 100 crores in the end of the exhibition.
That is great.
Yeah, that is the target, and we are on the track there.
Way back you acquired Huron, which was more than size of Jyoti. So what drives you to take such risks?
Technology. We wanted to technology access. We wanted to into Europe. We wanted to a senior partner, those who can have a technology and can taught us. That was the only drive where we bought that company today. Yeah.
So Parakram Singh ji, thank you very much for spending time and giving us your valuable insights. That was Mr. Parakram Singh Jadeja, a first generation entrepreneur who has taken Jyoti to new heights, and it is our pleasure to have him with us. Thank you so much. With me and my camera person Tarun, I am signing off from the Jyoti CNC Automation booth here in IMTEX 2023. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you to everyone.